morning children. Welcome you all once again in our online classes of class 1 English 2. So children, I hope you all have completed your book exercises of this lesson, crayons, and also the copy work. So children, today what we are going to do is the phonics and the grammar of this lesson, and today we will finish our book exercises as well as copy, means this lesson will be completed today. Okay, so first, before going to the grammar portion, I want to explain you something. Today we are going to discuss about the joining word. Okay, what we are going to discuss about? Joining word. This we are going to read in our grammar portion. So children, after reading this word joining, what is joining? If this line is here and this line is here, I want to join these two lines. What I will do? I will join this line till here, and this is joining. Like this we join the sentences also. Okay. So for example, we are saying that Sita is a girl. For example, we say Sita is a girl. Okay. And if we say that she loves to play and she loves to play, she loves to dance. Okay. For example, I am writing Sita is a girl. Okay. Sita is a girl. She loves to sing. Okay. Then the next sentence is she loves to dance. So children, what you have seen here, Sita is a girl. She loves to sing and she loves to dance. So children, here these two sentences are mostly similar. You know, it's too lengthy to read this, because here she loves to, this is repeated 2 times. Instead of doing this type of thing, we can join these 2 sentences by the word using and. So today we are going to read about the joining word, that is and. Okay. So here today what we are going to do? We are going to learn about the joining word and. So these 2 sentences, she loves to sing, she loves to dance. How I will join these 2 sentences? I will write she loves to sing and dance. Simple. So I have completed these 2 sentences in one sentence. Okay, I have formed one sentences by using the joining word and. So I hope you all have understood this. Okay. So one more thing today we are going to learn. You know how to join this word and? Here. Now we are going to learn something else also. That is in the book you will come to know about 2 more joining word, that is before and after. Okay. So here today also, for example, if it is written, I write the question and I write the answer. So children, what do you do first? First you write the answer, then you write the question, or you write the question and then you write the answer? What do you do first? What you do? You do what? First you write the question and then you write the answer. So in this book we are having one example that it is written, I will read the question, I will write the answer. Okay, what is written here? I will read the question and I will write the answer. Okay, what is written? I will read the question. I will write the answer. So what you do first? What you write the answer, then you read the question, or first you read the question and then you write the answer? So what you do first is this. So what you will do is, I will read the question before I will write the answer. Okay? What you are going to do is, answer you are going to write that I will read the question before I write the answer. So what you have done? Why you have written here before? What you do before? Before you will read the question. So here I have written, I will read the question before I write the answer. I will wash my hands before eating the lunch. Okay children, whatever we will do before, so we can use to join these two sentences. What the joining word I have used? Before. Like that, same, we use after also. Okay, I know before and after you all have read in maths also. You know before means pehle and after means baad mein. Okay, for example, I say that I will play before or after. I will play after I finish my homework. Okay, मैं खेलूंगा कब? बाद में, after finishing my homework. Okay children, so like that we have joined with the and, then before, and one more example we are going to do from the book only, that's after. Okay. I eat my breakfast. I eat my breakfast and I brush my teeth. So children, what you do? What you do first? Breakfast or you brush your teeth? I brush my teeth or I eat my breakfast. What you do? And we have to use the joining word after. Okay? I eat my breakfast after I brush my teeth. Okay? What do you do? I eat my breakfast. खाना खाते हैं. Then what do you do? I brush my teeth. Okay, I eat my breakfast after I brush my teeth. So what the joining word you are going to add here? After. To join these two sentences, what the joining word we are going to use? After. Okay. अब समझ ही नहीं. So children, today what we have learned is, we have learned about the joining words. We have learned about joining words. Today we are going to solve the book exercises related to this only, and we are going to use the word joining words, that is and, before and after. I hope you all have understood this, where we use and to join two sentences. Whenever we are using to join two sentences, that is a joining word. Okay, we use and. For example, we are saying there are many flowers like rose, jasmine and sunflower. We can't say rose, jasmine, sunflower like this. Okay, we cannot say there are flowers rose, there is a flower jasmine, there is a flower sunflower. No, we have combined that sentence and we have said there are many flowers, or there are flowers like rose, jasmine, sunflower and daisy. So many things. Okay, like that. And before, whenever we do the work first, and when after the work. Okay, so for joining the sentences we are going to use and, before and after. So now we are going to solve the book exercises and we are going to do phonics and the grammar portion, and I hope you all have understood the joining words. So let's start with the book exercises. Take your pencil and be ready with me. Okay. So children, first we are going to start with the phonics. You all know phonics related to the sound. So first you will mention the date, that's 2/9/2020. So here children, it's Millie's friend borrowed the crayon from Millie to color a star. What's the sound? Sh. Okay. In the word star, the letter S is followed by the letter T. Let us look at some words where the letter S is paired with another letter. Here we are not having the sound of only S. We are joining this S with the letter T. So here star. Okay. Here the words we are going to see is we are pairing the S with L. Okay. So how we are going to read and how we are going to do the pronunciation of these words, you are going to read with me. Okay. So all of you are ready with your pencils. Keep your pencil on your book and say the word with me loudly. Slide, slip, slope, slate, slant, sleep. Okay. Now here the words with letter S paired with M. Say with me. Smooth, smell, smile, smoke, small, smart. The next we are going to pair it with N. Snake, snail, snow, sneeze, snack, snore. Okay. Next we are going to pair with P. So read loudly. Spoon, speak, spice, spit, spill, spoke. Next is with letter T. S is paired with T. Stage, stand, star, stone, step, still. And the next is SW. Swim, sweet, swallow, sweat, swan, switch. Okay, I hope you all have understood how to do the pronunciation with these letters S, L, S, M, S, N, S, P, S, T and S, W. Practice it at home. Read it 2-3 times. Okay, this is your homework to read these words 2-3 times loudly. Okay children. So now we are going to do the book exercise, that is, look at these pictures and fill in the correct letter pairs to complete the words. So what we are going to do, we are going to pair it. Okay, here it is, slide. Okay, so what we are going to do, S-L, S-L-I-D-E, slide. The man is snoring. So here S-N, O-R-E, snow. And here Swan. S-W-A-N. Here, smile. All of you smile with me. S-M-I-L-E. What is this? Switch. So what we are going to do? S-W. Okay. I-T-C-H. Switch. Smoke. S-M-O-K-E. What is this? Spoon. So S-P-O-O-N. This is stone. S-T-O-N-E. Stone. This girl is smelling the flower. Smell. What's there in the flower? Smell. So S-M-E-L-L. Smell. Smell. Okay. So it was on page number 61. We all have completed the phonics. Now we are going to turn the page. On the next page, we are going to read about the grammar junction. What we are going to do? Grammar junction. And I know I have explained it to you that the joining words. Okay. So here once again we are going to do the reading of it. I will not do the explanation. I have already explained it to you what is joining word and which words we are going to do in this exercise. So we are going to read it once again. I had a box of crayons, all shiny, straight and new. I lent a friend one crayon and oops, it broke into. Here children, and. We have used 2 times. Look at the word and in these lines. And is a joining word. Joining words are used to join words and sentences. We use the joining words to join the words and sentences. Okay. 2 words, for example, we can say girl and boy. Okay. For sentences, we have already done, and look the example here. Rimi likes to eat biscuits. She also likes to drink grape juice. So children, I have explained it to you. Instead of joining these 2 sentences like this, we can write like Rimi likes to eat biscuit and drink grape juice. So instead of making it 2 sentences too long, we have make it short by using the joining word and. Now here, other joining words are after and before. You count before you add. You write after you read, don't you? So here children, let us look at a few more examples. I will read the question, I will write the answer. We have done this. I will read the question before I write the answer. Okay. So the next example also we have done. Once again, just a revision. I eat my breakfast, I brush my teeth. We can join these 2 sentences with after. I eat my breakfast after I brush my teeth. Okay. So here children, look at the pictures. Write the naming words for the pictures using the joining word. We all have done the naming words and now we are going to use the joining words. One is done for you. Here it's the name given, John and Mary. Okay. So children, like that we can write here flower, or you can flower and honeybee. Flower and honey bee. Then you can write here pen and book. Okay, we are taking the help of the pictures only and it's very clear. It's a flower and this is a honeybee. For joining these 2, what we have used? And. Pen and book. Girl and dog. You can even give the name to them. You can write that Tia and Kiddy. Okay, like that we can give the name. So here we are not going to give the name. It's simple naming word, girl and dog. Okay. So we are going to do the next one. Complete the following sentences about your routine using before or after. I take a bath. I eat my lunch. I take a bath after or before? I take a bath before I eat my lunch. Okay. I play before I finish my homework or after? I play after I finish my homework. Okay. I listen to stories after I sleep or before? Before I sleep. Okay, before I sleep. I wash my hands after or before? Before. I wash my hands before I start eating my food. Okay, children, is it clear to you all? So here, the writing junction. Millie writes about her best friend Gagan. My friend's name is Gagan. He is 6 years old. His favorite color is green. He likes to play football. His favorite snack is pani puri. Now it is your turn to write about your best friend. Fill in the blanks to complete the sentences. So children, here this is your work. Okay, you are going to write about your best friend. I know you all are missing your best friend a lot now in these lockdown time. You all are not meeting your friends and you all are missing them a lot. So just remember them and write here. My friend's name is. You can write any name of your friend, Aditya, Suryans, anything like that. Okay, is. Here you are going to write the years old. Whatever name you are going to write, how many year olds are they? Okay. Dash favorite color is dash. Means your friend name. Your friend name you are going to write here, and you can write, if a girl, you are writing about a girl, then write her favorite color is green, red, yellow, anything, whatever is. And if we are talking about a boy, his favorite color is. Okay. Then like that same, she or he likes to play whatever, like football, okay, basketball, anything. Then her or his favorite snack is whatever they like. Okay, they can like paneer tikka or like any snack. Whatever snacks is your best friend's favorite snack, you will mention here. So now this is, children, your homework. Okay, I hope you all have understood. Here you are going to write the name of your best friend. Okay, and here, like for example, I am writing here, my best friend name is Rani. Okay, or one more example I am taking for a boy, Aditya. Okay, you will write only one. Okay, here he or she, sorry, we have written here the girl name first. So she or he is 10 years old. Okay, then she, not she. Here we are going to write her or his. Okay, her or his favorite color is any colors like black, red, green, anything. Okay, then here once again, her or his, sorry, once again here it is likes. Here it is written likes to play. So what you are going to write? She or he. She likes to play or he likes to play. Whatever, like basketball or football, anything, whatever you like to write, you mention here. Then again, her or his favorite snack is anything, like I have said paneer tikka. Okay, anything you can write, whatever she likes. If she likes samosa, if she likes that kebab, anything, okay, whatever snacks you can mention here, whatever is her or his favorite. Okay children, so this is your homework. You can take the help of your parents and complete it. So children, today we all have completed the book exercises, okay, and as well as we all have done the copy work also, and I hope you will complete all your book exercises till page number 64. Okay. So children, today what we all have done, we all have completed the phonics and the grammar. So I hope you all have understood the lesson 6 crayons. The poem was about Millie, and what we have learned that sharing is caring. And now I hope you will share your things with your friends and family. And today what you will do is, you are going to complete all your work related to this lesson before starting the new lesson, because in next session we are going to start with our next new lesson, fresh lesson, and that's a story. Before that, you have to be regular with your work. Whatever is taught to you, learn it, complete it in your book, and as well as in copy. And writing is not necessary, writing as well as learning. I hope you all have understood. Enjoy your day and also complete your work. Thank you and have a nice day.